Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a company that you might not be familiar with, but that's actually a pretty big player in the financial services industry. I'm talking about Bread Financial. Now, you might be wondering, what is Bread Financial, and where is it located? Well, that's exactly what we're going to find out in today's video. So, buckle up, grab a cup of coffee, and let's dive into the world of Bread Financial. So, what is Bread Financial? Bread Financial is a publicly traded financial services company that was founded in 1995. The company is headquartered in Columbus, Ohio, and has over 7,000 employees. Bread Financial offers a variety of financial products and services, including credit cards, private label credit cards, and loyalty programs. The company also provides marketing services to retailers and other businesses. Bread Financial is a leading provider of private label credit cards. The company has partnerships with a number of major retailers, including Walmart, Target, and Lowe's. Bread Financial also offers a variety of co-branded credit cards, such as the Capital One Platinum Cash Rewards Card and the American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card. In addition to credit cards, Bread Financial also offers a number of loyalty programs. These programs allow customers to earn points that can be redeemed for rewards, such as cash back, gift cards, and travel. Bread Financial is a well-respected company with a strong reputation for providing quality financial products and services. The company is also committed to giving back to the community. Bread Financial supports a number of charities and organizations, including the United Way and the American Heart Association. Where is Bread Financial located? Bread Financial is headquartered in Columbus, Ohio. The company's headquarters is located at 3075 Loyalty Circle, Columbus, Ohio, 43219. Bread Financial also has a number of other locations throughout the United States. The company has offices in Atlanta, Boston, Chicago, Dallas, Denver, Detroit, Houston, Los Angeles, Miami, New York City, Philadelphia, Phoenix, San Francisco, Seattle, and Washington, D.C. Bread Financial also has a number of international locations. The company has offices in Canada, Mexico, Brazil, the United Kingdom, and Germany. How can I contact Bread Financial? If you have any questions about Bread Financial, you can contact the company by phone, email, or mail. Phone 1-800-543-3566. Email protected. Mail Bread Financial P.O. Box 6000, Columbus, Ohio, 43216, 6000. Bread Financial also has a website where you can find more information about the company and its products and services. The website is https://www.breadfinancial.com. So, there you have it. Bread Financial is a large and well-respected financial services company that is headquartered in Columbus, Ohio. The company offers a variety of credit cards, private label credit cards, and loyalty programs. Bread Financial is also committed to giving back to the community. If you're looking for a financial services company that you can trust, Bread Financial is a great choice. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about personal finance and investing. Thanks for watching.